how to change or add an avatar to your profile on your Duolingo application. So in this video I will tell you guys how to do this, so just watch this video till the end. First you need to open your Duolingo, then come here to your profile. When you open your profile, guys, you will come to settings here, and then click change avatar, and then you would choose your avatar. For example, here your skin color, your if you have a mustache. For example, I have this mustache. I will change the skin color, for example, of my face. Of course, I will change it to this and click down, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like it, also subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.